Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, and together we'll unlock the secrets behind the objects we use every day. From ancient artifacts to modern marvels, get ready for a journey through time, technology, and a dash of mystery. Let's dive in and uncover the stories hidden in plain sight. Hello, curious minds. Welcome back to Everyday Mysteries. I'm Ethan Carter, and today we're diving into the frosty world of refrigerators. From ancient ice houses to the smart fridges of today, let's explore how this essential appliance has revolutionized the way we store and preserve food. Refrigerators. They're an everyday fixture in our kitchens, but have you ever wondered how they came to be? Let's start by going way back, before modern refrigeration, to the days of ice houses. Ancient civilizations, like the Persians and Romans, stored ice and snow in insulated pits to keep their food cool. These early methods were effective, but labor-intensive and weather-dependent. Fast forward to the 19th century. People began using iceboxes in their homes. These were essentially insulated cabinets with blocks of ice inside. Imagine having to regularly haul large chunks of ice just to keep your food from spoiling. Then came a breakthrough. In 1834, Jacob Perkins built the first practical refrigerating machine using vapor compression. It wasn't perfect, but it laid the groundwork for future innovations. By the early 20th century, electric refrigerators began to appear. These early models were expensive and mostly found in commercial settings like restaurants and hospitals. By the 1920s and 30s, household refrigerators became more common as prices dropped and technology improved. This revolutionized food storage, allowing families to keep perishables fresh for longer and reducing food waste significantly. In the post-war boom of the 1950s, refrigerators became a standard appliance in American homes. They also started featuring freezers, which opened up new possibilities for food preservation and convenience. Today's refrigerators are marvels of technology. We have smart fridges that can monitor their contents, suggest recipes, and even notify you when you're running low on groceries. They've come a long way from the simple icebox, combining efficiency with convenience and even style. The refrigerator has not only changed how we store food, but also how we shop, cook, and eat. It's a cornerstone of modern living, keeping our meals fresh and our kitchens organized. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of everyday objects. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share your thoughts with us. Keep exploring, stay curious, and tune in next time for more everyday mysteries. Until then, remember, there's always more than meets the eye.